Today I am potting up 2 Yellow Crookneck squash seedlings that I started from seed about 2 weeks ago. As you can see, the roots have grown very well, so they are ready to be potted up and out of that small little pot. So there were 2 seeds that germinated, and so I will separate those 2 different seedlings so I can have 2 plants in this pot. But you will need to do this very gingerly. Don't rush this. Don't want to rip the roots apart. And they will eventually come out. It may just take you a little bit. Now you have 2 separate healthy plants, so we can have double the squash. If you notice as I'm planting them, I'm still being very careful with them because they are still some tender seedlings with tiny little roots, so I don't want to be rough with them. I want them to have the best chance they can of surviving and growing to be very big and fruitful plants. The other thing I forgot to mention was the size of this pot. It's about an 18-inch pot, and so it should be able to handle these 2 squash. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment so I can share more with you. Thanks!